Craig Isley, back with you from Limitless Physical Therapy. We're closing in on our grand opening, about 1 week away. Today, I'm really excited to talk with you about the whole body approach to rehabilitation and also explain why it's important for you to consider that when you're looking at injury or pain recovery. So often in healthcare and in medicine, the body is looked at from a standpoint of focusing on where the pain is actually coming from. We see high demands, high productivity. These other practitioners are seeing lots of patients in a day, so they have to get right to where the pain is. But they're really missing so much of the boat in what's actually going on with that injury. When you take a full body approach, the analogy that I use is perfect for a lower extremity injury, say Achilles tendonitis. It's important when somebody's walking, running, jumping that the whole lower body integrates really well together. The forces are distributed, but when there's an area of that body, say the knee or the hip, that's really not participating very well in that movement, there's a huge overload that then builds up in, say, the Achilles. Easily follows that then Achilles tendonitis develops. So it's important when we examine an individual, we look at that whole lower body integration to ensure that if they're recovering from Achilles tendonitis, they're really not overloading that tissue to the degree that they were before. So make sure if you're having an injury, you really don't just look at where that injury is, but you take in the whole body all together to ensure that you have the fastest and the most complete recovery. Next time, I really want to dive into how we're going to integrate technology into the rehabilitation and the physical therapy world to make sure the outcomes are better. So stay tuned next Tuesday and make sure you keep an eye out for our open house coming up less than 2 weeks away. See you then.